Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done the Bitcoin chart on a very routine basis, pretty much do it every day. And as long as the interest remains strong, I'll keep things updated here. But that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And a little bit of deja vu here. I feel like the chart is almost exactly where it was yesterday. I mean, I realize it's not, but yesterday I talked a lot about, can the price maintain this level of support? Can it maintain this level of support? And so far, so good. It's indeed held that level of support. But outside of that, nothing else has really happened. It's not like the price has, gotten any more continuation on the downside. It's not like the price has gotten any sort of bounce to the upside. So if you watched yesterday's video, this is pretty much going to sound like a broken record. But as it stands right now, this 9,000 mark, again, being denoted by this green line right here, is that key level of support. And as I've talked about already, it's held nicely. In the event there's any sort of closes below it, which if you look closely, there's been several times where the price is broken below it, but as far as the candlestick closing below that level, it has never happened. But in that event where it does happen over the next 24 hours, would not be shocking at all to see the price head down to at least test the 8,400 mark. But as it stands right now, like I said, that 9,000 mark, give or take right around there, doing a very good job of holding as support. In the event the price bounces, really a couple of key areas of resistance. First one, and I would consider this kind of the near term level, would be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. If the bulls can push through there, then the next key overall level of resistance, that red line up there right around the 10,200 mark, give or take a little bit. But other than that, not much else to say other than, the price is going sideways right now. It's chugging along that 9,000 mark, so we'll see if 9,000 can continue to hold strong or not. If not, and the price breaks to the downside of it, I'd look for the price to go to at least 8,400, if not lower. With any sort of bounce to the upside, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period, and if the price can push through there, the next key level of resistance up there at the red line. So we'll see if these next 24 hours are any more eventful or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.